Today we're going to talk about waterfall versus agile, two of the most common ways teams build products. People often think this is a battle between old and new, slow and fast. In reality, strong product managers don't pick sides, they pick what fits the problem. Waterfall is a linear, step-by-step approach. Each phase happens once and in order: requirements, design, development, testing, and launch. You finish one phase completely before moving to the next. Waterfall works best when requirements are stable and changes are costly. Think about building a bridge, a government system, or financial infrastructure. Everything needs to be clearly defined up front. The strengths of Waterfall are predictability, clear timelines, and strong documentation. The downside is that change is difficult, feedback comes late, and mistakes are often discovered at the end. Agile is an iterative approach focused on flexibility and continuous improvement. Instead of delivering everything at once, teams work in small cycles and release frequently. Feedback is collected early and often, and plans evolve over time. Agile works well when user behavior is uncertain and learning quickly is critical. This is common for mobile apps, startups, and fast-moving digital products. The strengths of Agile are speed, adaptability, early value delivery, and collaboration. The challenges are less predictability up front and the need for strong team discipline. The key difference between Waterfall and Agile is how they handle change. Waterfall resists change, while Agile expects and embraces it. Waterfall plans everything up front and delivers at the end. Agile plans continuously and delivers incrementally. Despite their differences, Waterfall and Agile share the same goal: delivering value. Both require clear objectives, communication, testing, and stakeholder alignment. In real-world product management, teams rarely use just one approach. Most successful teams use a hybrid model. For example, a product team might use waterfall-style planning for core architecture, compliance, and infrastructure. They then use agile execution for features, experiments, and user-facing improvements. As a product manager, your job is to decide what needs certainty and what needs flexibility. Ask whether requirements are stable, how risky change is, and how soon you need user feedback. Waterfall is best when predictability and control matter most. Agile is best when speed, learning, and iteration matter most. Waterfall examples where change is expensive or risky. Medical device software. A company builds software for an MRI or heart monitoring device. Requirements are approved by regulators before development. Extensive documentation and validation are required. Release happens only after full testing and certification. Why Waterfall fits? Patient safety is critical. Regulatory approval is mandatory. Late changes are extremely costly. Airline reservation system. An airline upgrades its core booking system. Business rules, pricing logic, and integrations are defined up front. Systems must work across multiple countries and partners. Testing is completed end-to-end before launch. Why Waterfall fits? High reliability is required. Errors impact millions of users. Downtime is unacceptable. Construction project management software for a client. A vendor builds a custom system for a construction company. Client requirements are fixed in a contract. Scope changes require renegotiation. Delivery follows a fixed timeline. Why Waterfall fits? Contractual obligations, clear scope, fixed delivery dates. Defense or aerospace systems. A company builds software for satellites or military systems. Specifications are finalized years in advance. Every change requires approval. Releases are rare and highly controlled. Why Waterfall fits? extremely high risk, long planning cycles, zero tolerance for failure. Payroll system for large enterprises. A multinational company builds a global payroll system. Country-specific rules are locked up front. Compliance and accuracy matter more than speed. Full regression testing happens before launch. Why Waterfall fits? Legal requirements, financial accuracy, low flexibility tolerance. Agile examples where learning and speed matter. Recommendation algorithm tuning. A streaming platform improves its recommendation system. Models are adjusted frequently. User engagement metrics guide changes. Experiments run continuously. Why Agile fits? Data-driven iteration, no final version, constant optimization. SaaS onboarding experience. A SaaS company improves its user onboarding flow. Teams test different onboarding steps. Drop-off data drives iteration. Changes are released weekly. Why Agile fits? User behavior is unpredictable. Small changes matter. Fast feedback loops are critical. Marketing automation tools. A marketing team builds automation workflows. Features are released incrementally. Feedback from customers influences roadmap. Underused features are removed. Why Agile fits? Customer needs evolve rapidly. Rapid experimentation. Feature usage varies widely. Internal tools for sales or ops. A company builds an internal dashboard for sales teams. MVP is launched quickly. Feedback from sales reps shapes improvements. Features are added based on usage. Why Agile fits? Users are accessible. Needs evolve fast. Iteration is low risk. Social media monetization features. A platform launches new monetization tools for creators. Features are tested with small creator groups. Metrics like GMV and retention guide changes. Tools are iterated or sunset quickly. Why Agile fits? Market changes rapidly. User behavior is experimental. Speed matters. E-commerce platform expansion. An e-commerce company expands to new countries. Payment, tax, and logistics systems are planned upfront. Waterfall. UI, promotions, and checkout UX are optimized iteratively. Agile. Fintech app launch. A fintech startup launches a new app. Security, compliance, and core ledger systems are fixed early. Customer experience and features evolve through sprints. Enterprise product migration. A company migrates from a legacy system to the cloud. Migration plan and data mapping are defined upfront. Feature improvements and UX changes happen incrementally. Live commerce platform. A live commerce company launches a new creator marketplace. Back-end payout rules are designed upfront. Creator tools, dashboards, and campaigns evolve sprint by sprint. AI product development. A company builds an AI-powered product. Data pipelines and governance are designed upfront. Models, prompts, and UX iterate rapidly. Waterfall is a linear approach where requirements, scope, and timelines are defined upfront and executed in sequence. It works best when requirements are stable, changes are expensive, and predictability is critical. For a PM, Waterfall means heavy upfront discovery and documentation, clear scope, budget, and delivery milestones, strong stakeholder alignment early, change management through formal processes, typical PM use cases, compliance-heavy products, core infrastructure or platform rebuilds, enterprise or government systems. Main risk, late discovery of user or market misalignment. Agile is an iterative approach focused on incremental delivery, continuous feedback, and adaptability. It works best when user needs are uncertain and fast learning is required. For a PM, Agile means prioritizing outcomes over fixed scope, managing a dynamic backlog, delivering value in small, frequent releases, using data and user feedback to guide decisions. Typical PM use cases, consumer apps and SaaS products, feature experimentation and optimization, early-stage or fast-moving products. Main risk, lack of clarity or direction without strong PM leadership. How PMs use them in practice. Most product teams operate in a hybrid model. PMs often use waterfall-style planning for vision, architecture, and constraints, use agile execution for feature development and iteration. The PM's real job is to decide what must be decided up front, what can evolve with learning, where flexibility creates value, where stability reduces risk. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe. We're PM Shares, and I'll see you in the next one.